Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check messages, app version, and Android OS and update them. Once done, back up conversations to Google Drive or export important threads so you won't lose data. Next, restart your phone to clear transient glitches. Make sure to force stop messages and clear cache if issues persist. This removes temporary corrupt files. If a network problem caused the issue, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connectivity, and keep your Google account signed in. Once the basics are stable, focus on RCS chat features. Open Messages settings, verify chat features are enabled, and your phone number is verified. This fixes modern rich messaging errors. If RCS looks fine, reset network settings, or briefly use airplane mode to force a fresh network negotiation. You should also review app permissions and clear app defaults. If messages still fail, remove and re-add your Google account to refresh sync tokens and authentication. To finish, reinstall Google Messages to restore a clean app state. Once reinstalled, sign in and re-enable chat features. If problems persist, switch temporarily to a proven SMS app so you can send and receive while diagnosing. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but only after confirming backups are complete and you understand the data loss implications. If you still see failures, check with your carrier for RCS support or known outages. This single check often explains systemic messaging failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.